In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this cute and colorful bird keychain. You can also use this as a tree hanging decor. To make this, you will need 3 different colors of yarn, white glue, sparkly sequins, sparkly string for the keychain, 2 black beads for the eyes and a small piece of black string for the beak. You will also need a plastic box. Grab your white yarn and start making loops around one side of the box. You will need to make 25 loops. Then carefully pull this off of the box. Then grab your blue thread and do the same. Make 25 loops with this, as well. Cross these over each other. Grab your white yarn and start looping it over 2 of your fingers to make a ball. Then tie it up in the middle. Then grab your yellow yarn and loop it around the box. You will need to make 30 loops for this one. Twist the white and blue yarn together and knot them in the middle. This will be the head of the bird. Grab your yellow yarn and your white yarn ball and place these in the middle. Grab a small piece of blue yarn and use it to tie up the blue and white yarn sections together. Put the 2 yellow yarn parts over the blue yarn section, like this. Then tie it up with a yellow yarn piece. Once it's all secure, cut off the excess yarn, making sure to make the bottom flat. Now grab your 2 black beads and start stitching one to one side of the face. Do the same to the other side. Then grab your small black string and stitch it in the middle of the face, for the beak. Then stitch on your sparkly string to the back of the bird, for the keychain. Grab your white glue. Squeeze it onto one side of the bird. Grab your sparkly sequins. Sprinkle these all over the glue. Then spread these out. Let this dry and then do the same to the other side. Watch till the end for a surprise. Spread out the glue with your fingers. Spread out your sequins using a needle. I made another bird using multicolored yarn and it turned out amazing. I used the same technique, but different sequins. These are so adorable. Follow my channel for more unique and easy ideas like these.
Thanks for watching.